Hi lovelies, I'm Gloria, a student from Christmas menu class with Hilda Bassi, Interactive Group 5. This is me submitting my assignment, so grab a seat and a glass of wine or a glass of water and stay tuned as I make this iconic Asian food, bao bun. First off, I would like to appreciate my super amazing, super awesome, super talented, most intelligent, most hardworking teacher, Chef Hilda Bassi, for creating this wonderful platform. God bless you, ma. So back to our bao bun. I personally feel like it's a simple recipe as long as you get your measurements correctly. It will come out so yummy. Appreciation moment please for this little basket of heaven.